Hi guys, welcome to my channel Payal's Recipe. Today I'm going to show you a very easy and delicious soya chop recipe, and these soya chops are made at home with whole wheat flour and Nutella or soy nuggets and soybeans. And let's get started. Now the ingredients to make soya chop are: these are the homemade soya chops that I made with whole wheat flour and some meal maker or Nutella or soy chunks and some soybeans. So this is the soya chop stick that I made, and then I cut into pieces like this and shallow fried it. Then this is onion, one onion fried and made into a paste. That's the fried onion paste. I have some sarson ka tel or mustard oil. This gives a very distinct flavor. Some jeera, red chili powder, salt to taste, coriander powder or dhania powder, haldi, kasuri methi or fenugreek leaves that are dried. This is some korma masala, half a cup of yogurt, some ginger, garlic, 3 or 4 green chilies and some tomato puree. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is heat this kadhai and add the mustard oil. Now once the mustard oil heats, I'm going to add the jeera. Next goes in the green chilies, the garlic, next goes in the ginger and the tomato puree. Add a little bit of the water. Now after adding water, I'm just going to mix this. Now to this, I'm going to add our onion paste as well. This is the fried onion. So I've fried the onion and made it into a puree, but you can use fresh onions also. But this fried onion paste gives a very delicious flavor to our dish. So let our onion paste saute in this oil. Okay, I'm just going to keep the flame on low. And now I'm just going to cover this and leave it for about 5 minutes and then check. It's been 5 minutes now, so let's check on our masala. And now I'm going to add these soy chunks that are already sauteed in oil. Just give it a quick mix. Now after giving a mix, just cover it again and leave it for about 5 to 7 minutes. Now I'm going to add this yogurt in this bowl and add all the dry spices. This is the korma masala, red chili powder, some kasuri methi, salt, dhania powder and turmeric. Now after adding this, I'm going to add a little bit of water. And just mix everything. Our yogurt mixed with spices is now ready, and now let's check on our gravy. Now let's check on our masala. It looks so good. And now I'm going to add the yogurt mixed with all the spices. And now I'm going to just give it a quick mix and just cover it and let the soya chunks or the soya chop simmer in this gravy for at least 10 to 15 minutes on low flame, so all the masala and delicious spices gets infused into our soya chop. So I'm just going to cover this and leave it for at least 10 to 15 minutes on low flame and check on and off in between. Now let's check on our soya chop. It looks so delicious and it smells really good. You can add some garam masala if you wish to at the end, but I'm not adding right now because it has enough masalas. So looks like our soya chop is now ready and I'm just going to plate it. Now this is a delicious soya chop that I made at home. If you want to see the recipe of how I made the soya chop sticks at home from scratch, do mention that in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed this soya chop recipe and definitely try this at home and share your comments on my channel Payal's Recipe. And for more recipes, tune in till next time. Stay safe and stay at home. Bye bye.